Hello, everyone. This is Nick Lang with the National Concrete Masonry Association, coming to you again from home for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. For today, I wanted to remind you that NCMA also has some resources available for manufactured stone veneer, especially I'd say our flagship publication, the Manufactured Stone Veneer Installation Guide. This guide will provide you a lot of information on how to detail and install manufactured stone veneer in compliance with ASTM C1780. And it's really a pretty comprehensive resource with requirement summaries, details on material requirements, and then the bulk of the document is actually a series of installation details that you can see as I skip to the screen, covering everything from basic installation to details on how to do corners and windows and doors and all that sort of stuff. So it's a really good resource and document, something that will really help you as you work with your manufactured stone veneer projects. Anyway, so that's all that we have today. If you have questions for Tech Tip Tuesday, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and we'll see you again next week. Have a good day.